Yo, what's up, everybody? This is day 27. 27 trading New York session open till I become profitable. Today doing the same strat we always do. We're just waiting for price to take out London session high, and we're gonna look for a short position because we are in a downtrend on the 4-hour and the 1 hour, so they match. So that's our bias for today. But yeah, market's about to open here in 5 minutes, and then we're just gonna wait for a price, take out this high, and start looking for some confluences back to the downside, and hopefully get an entry in today. So yeah, we're reacting off this fair value gap. Nice, tapped a wicked into it. Seems to be rejecting this area. Good area of support here. So that's good. That just it's another confirmation that price will continue to push up. We just kind of need to break this high here, keep breaking all these highs, and we should be good. But yeah, that's what we're gonna wait for, and hopefully we can get something in today. All right, y'all, so we just inversed. As you can see here, I'm on Euro USD. We tapped into London sessions high right here. New York session open, we tapped into that high. Then we inversed the fair value gap to the downside. I could have entered off that because there is also a break of structure to the downside off the 1 minute as well. But just for extra confluence, since we have this fair value gap here, I'm going to wait for break of structure on the 5 minute. So I would need it to break this low right here. And once we break that low, I'll be pretty confident. We inversed one fair value gap, had break of structure on the 1 minute and the 5 minute, so that's where I'm looking to enter at. But yeah, we'll just see, because if we get this break of structure to the downside, like if we don't wick it, if we candle close below it, then we're most likely going to inverse this fair value gap, knock on wood. But yeah, we'll see how price reacts to the top of this, because if we're not going to break this low, we're not going to close into this fair value gap, you know what I mean? So yeah, we'll just see how price reacts. All right, y'all, so I ended up I was gonna trade Euro USD, right? But price started acting choppy, wasn't doing what I wanted it to do. So I went over to Great British Pound USD. Hey, now all my fair value gaps are back. Like, what? Ignore the mess. But yeah, so this was the fair value gap I was originally playing off of. I wanted to inverse this on the 1 minute. We tapped back into it and then broke this 5 minute fair value gap, which was fine because we actually just tapped into a higher 1 minute fair value gap, and then price continued to close back down. We inversed two fair value gaps on the 1 minute and then had break of structure as well on both of these lows. So I entered right after this break of structure and this inverse fair value gap, and then we were targeting London's low, but I think price is gonna go lower. I did a 1-to-1, so this right here wasn't even a 1-to-1 because I entered like right there. Just gotta break London's low, and then we should be good. Hopefully we hit our take profit. All right, y'all, look at this. So we just hit our take profit. I did a 1-to-1 on this trade, just to play it safe, because we were acting a bit strange up here, and we got a little bit of a late entry, and then we were also rejecting this London's low, so I wasn't sure how far down we were going to go, but I did a 1-to-1. We ended up hitting it. Realistically, I guess I could have done a 2-to-1, or it would have been a little bit under that, because we just hit Asian sessions low, so I could have targeted that as well. But hey, I don't got no problem with it, with my 1-to-1. Still hit my take profit, still made money today. So that's all that matters at the end of the day. And yeah, so this was day 27, trading New York session open. Starting off the week good, because what is today? Today's Wednesday. I didn't trade Monday or yesterday. So yeah, technically I'm up for the week. Small profits, but it's profit. But yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow for day 28. Hopefully we can get another good trade in. But yeah, no.